I'm going to show you an easy green juice recipe packed full of vitamins and minerals. Before I start juicing, I usually wash off all the fruits and vegetables. I didn't show that on the video. Here you see me soaking the ginger. It makes it easier to peel later on. I usually start off with my soft ingredients. So here I'm peeling a lemon. It's one of the few things you need to peel. I cut it in quarters so it can easily fit in the juicer. Once I'm finished juicing the lemon, I move on to the cucumber. I cut them up into reasonable chunks so they could fit into the juicer. Now that we juiced the cucumber, let's move on to the apples. I like to use an apple slicer as it cuts down on the time it would take compared to using a knife. Beside the stem, I juice all parts of the apple, including the core. I use a cold press juicer. It gives several benefits compared to traditional juicers. This juicer uses a slow, gentle process that generates less heat. This helps to preserve any heat-sensitive vitamins and minerals so that you can have a more nutrient-rich juice. As the juice reaches the top of the container, I stop and strain it into a bowl. This helps to keep out any small particles that might have dropped into the container. Next up, we juice the celery stalks. I usually put 2 or 3 stalks in at a time to juice. Last but not least, I'm adding the ginger. As I said before, I like to soak the ginger and use a spoon to scrape off the skin. With ginger, I start out with about 2 ounces and add more if needed. Ginger has a kick, so if you plan to give this to kids, I would dial it back. But if not, just ginger to taste. Strain the remaining juice into a bowl and stir. Once you finish stirring, go ahead and taste it. This recipe is perfect to me, but you can adjust the juice to your taste. Pro tip, if juice is overpowering, just add water to dilute. Next, use a funnel to add to your 1-liter bottle. Be sure to consume this within 3 days of making it. I love to have it for breakfast and also add protein powder and have it after a workout. The link in the description below will have the full recipe. Hope you enjoy!